Materials required: vinyl board or cardboard, LED strip, LED driver or adapter, wire, chart or colored paper, plug, glue, tape.
First draw out the figure on the vinyl or cardboard, and then cut it out.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point?
Take the chart or colored paper and draw out the figure on the paper. Allow some extra space while cutting around the figure so that we can fold it inwards.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
As you can see, there's some extra space. Now stick the cutout to the paper.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it.
Make sure there are no bubbles on the front side.
Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself.
Cut the extra space of paper accordingly so that we can fold it easily inwards.
I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you?
Apply glue and paste them.
I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
This is how it will look once done.
I'm tired of the pain.
Now take a piece of cardboard and cut out small pieces of it. Paste these pieces on the cutout, so that we can attach the LED strip on it. Now paste the LED strip to the pieces. Do subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.
Down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let
you can use hot glue to stick the LED strip, as I did.
I'm tired of the pain.
Now let's test it.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it.
attach the wire on the LED to the wire. Then attach that wire to the LED adapter. Make sure you attach the LED positive to the adapter positive, and LED negative to the adapter negative. Attach the AC side of the adapter to the plug.
Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
And it's done.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired.
Like, share and subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. See you in the next one.